Welcome back to Wellness Lenses. Are you ready to find out how to master social situations and have charisma that people can't resist? Join me in this video on the art of how to look like a high status person. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make an impression that lasts, build real relationships, and improve your personal and professional life. So, let's get started and find out how to show confidence, authenticity, and high status. We all have times when we look at someone who seems confident and successful and wonder, how do they do it? High status is hard to resist because it can open doors and change how other people look at us. But here's the secret. Real high status isn't just about how you look. It's about being real and having a good sense of yourself. So let's dive right in. Strategy number 1. Being authentic is important. To present yourself in an authentic way, your outward actions and words should match who you really are. Start by taking a good look at yourself and figuring out what your values, interests, and passions are. Once you have a clear idea of who you are, try to show these parts of yourself in your everyday life. Accept that being vulnerable is a powerful part of being real, and talk about your thoughts and feelings without fear of being judged. Self-acceptance is also important for authenticity, so be kind to yourself and accept your flaws. Lastly, make an effort to listen to others. Real connections are made when people understand and care about each other. When you show who you really are, you encourage others to do the same. This makes relationships stronger and more meaningful. Strategy number 2, confidence and posture. Work on being confident and standing up straight. Studies show how taking a strong stance can boost confidence and change hormone levels. Confidence draws people to you and can make you seem more important. Getting more confident is a journey that changes you from the inside out. Start by making goals that are attainable and achieving them. This will help you gain confidence over time. Accept failure as a step towards growth, and know that even setbacks can help you grow in the long run. Self-awareness is important. Find any negative self-talk or limiting beliefs that might be holding you back and challenge them. Surround yourself with friends and mentors who will help you grow as a person and make you feel good about yourself. Remember that confidence is not a fixed trait, but a skill that can be developed and improved over time. This will lead to more self-confidence and a more fulfilling life. Strategy number 3. Learn how to talk to people effectively. People with a lot of power are often great at communicating. Active listening, clear speech, and empathy go a long way towards showing that you are confident and real. Mastering how to communicate well is one of the most important parts of projecting high status in a real way. Start by actively listening to others, which means giving them your full attention, showing empathy, and trying to see things from their point of view. Practice putting your thoughts and ideas into clear, short sentences, and work on speaking with confidence, but not arrogance. Nonverbal communication is just as important as verbal communication. Keep eye contact, move freely, and pay attention to the tone of your voice. Being able to adapt your way of talking to different people and situations is a valuable skill. Remember that good communication isn't just about what you say. It's about making room for others to say what they want to say. When you're good at these parts of communication, you build stronger relationships, increase your influence, and show that you're a high-status person by being honest and caring. Strategy number 4. Learn how to set limits. People with a lot of status value their time and energy. Setting clear limits shows that you respect yourself and get others to respect you. Setting limits is a key part of having a high status and staying healthy at the same time. It shows that you care about yourself and tells others how you want to be treated. Start by figuring out what your own needs and priorities are, so you can set clear limits on your time, energy, and space. Tell people what your limits are in a clear and respectful way, and stick to them. Remember that setting boundaries isn't about being rigid or unapproachable. It's about finding a healthy balance between your needs and your relationships. When you respect your own limits, you teach others to do the same. This leads to healthier, more respectful relationships and helps you take care of yourself and grow as a person. Strategy 5. Develop a high status mindset. Having a high status mindset is like building a mental foundation that gives you the confidence and strength to deal with life's challenges and opportunities. It starts with having what psychologist Carl Dweck calls a growth mindset. This means seeing setbacks as chances to learn and challenges as steps on the way to becoming a better person. Having a high status mindset can also be helped by having a positive outlook and reframing negative thoughts. Also, use self-affirmation by telling yourself often about your strengths and accomplishments. Lastly, keep a sense of purpose and passion in what you do. A high-status mindset is often rooted in pursuing meaningful goals and making a positive difference in your community and the world as a whole. By working on these mental traits, you'll not only look like a high-status person, but you'll also live a more meaningful life. And that's a wrap. Remember that the best way to look at a high-status person is not to copy other people or pretend to be someone you're not. Authenticity and a real desire to improve yourself will help you on this journey. In the end, looking like a high-status person isn't about being shallow or materialistic. It's about inner growth, confidence, and being true to yourself. By using these strategies and developing a high-status mindset, you can bring success and meaningful connections into your life. As you start this journey, remember that your worth is not based on what other people think of you, but on how much you believe in yourself and how much you can change the world for the better. Cheers to your real high status and the amazing road ahead. See you in the next video.